Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the AC to DC power conversion. That means we are going to see the rectification AC to DC. Here we are going to convert the 230 volt AC into a 5 volt DC. Here this is the block diagram, and we are going to check the blocks in the rectifier. First, transformer will convert 230 volt into 12012 volt. Then we are going to place a bridge rectifier. We are going to have a bridge rectifier. Then smoothening is done by the capacitor, and we are going to place a regulator 7805 regulator, and the load voltage we are going to get around 5 volt. This is the block diagram of the AC to DC power supply. And now we will see the practical circuit. Here initially we are having a transformer, then a bridge rectifier. When with the help of capacitor we are going to smoothening the waveform, and with the help of 7805 we are going to convert the AC, that means a smoothening waveform, into a regulated output DC waveform. This is the circuit of the power supply. This is the circuit diagram of the power supply. Now we will see the practical circuit. Here we are having a transformer. This is a 230/12012 volt transformer, and from the output of the transformer is fed to a bridge rectifier. The bridge rectifier output is fed to a resistor. Then with the help of the capacitor we are going to smoothen the output waveform. Then after seeing this waveform, we will connect a 7805 IC to get a 5 volt DC supply. Now we will check the output waveform. Initially I will take out this capacitor, and now we will check the output waveform. This is the output of the bridge rectifier. This is the AC to DC pulsating DC waveform you will get. While putting a capacitor across the load, we can change the pulsating DC output waveform into a pure DC waveform with the help of smoothening capacitor. Now we are going to apply the capacitor across the load. That means this is the load. We are going to connect the capacitor across this load. Now we have put a capacitor across the load. Now we can see the output changes in the CRO. Now you can see the pulsating DC is converted into a regulated DC with the help of capacitor. Initially without capacitor, the output we have shown here is pulsating DC. Now we can see the waveform of after the smoothening of the capacitor. Now we will see the design of rectifier. So first we want to know what is the output of the transformer. Here you can check the output of the transformer. You are having 39 voltage actually. This is the secondary of the transformer. Secondary output of the transformer is 38 volt. This is the V peak value. V peak value is 38. In the transformer rating they will give us 230 volt bar 12012 volt in the transformer rating. The 230 bar 12012 is nothing but V RMS voltage. But while we are checking in the CRO or DSO, we will only able to see the peak value. Here you can note it down. The peak value is 38.80. This is the secondary of the transformer. This is the secondary of the transformer. Now you can check here the secondary output voltage 12012. So we are taking the output here in 12-0. So 12 volt is nothing but the V RMS value. Here the V peak value is around 38 volt. 38 volt. Now we are checking the output voltage across the rectified output voltage across the capacitor. Now we will change the output terminals. Output terminals are changed between now we can able to check the output voltage. This is the rectified output voltage. We will convert this to DC. Now we can able to check the rectified output voltage with the help of capacitor, the output waveform is smoothening. With the help of smoothening capacitor, we are converting the pulsating DC waveform into a waveform like this. Still we are not getting the pure DC waveform. So for getting the pure DC waveform, we want to apply a regulator 7805 regulator. We want to apply the next output voltage. We will check with the help of 7805 output voltage. Now we are going to check the output voltage. The output voltage with the help of 7805 regulator IC. Now we can check the output voltage as 5 volt. This is the output or DC output voltage. So this is like this only. We want to convert the AC into DC waveform